So what are the best penny stocks to buy on May 28th, 2024? Well, number one recommendation right now is Sharps Technology, stock symbol STSS. It is up today 171% or 36 cents, trading only at 57 cents a share. So the company is a relatively unknown company. It was trading about 6 months ago at about the same price as it's right now, around 57 cents a share. However, over the last 6 months, it pretty much collapsed from 56 cents all the way to like 15 cents. So, and while it was collapsing, pretty much nobody was trading that stock, maybe a few hundred shares, if that. So some major news arrived today, and suddenly the stock that was not was not traded for a long time, suddenly today it's trading 224 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $7 million. So if I were you, I would definitely check and see what's happening with that stock. It looks like it's some kind of maybe high-tech stock based on the word technology in its name. But the main thing is that when the stock is generating 224 million shares of trading volume in the first 90 minutes since the stock market opened, it kind of tells you that it's some major stuff is happening. So, and by the way, this is the second day of this rise. The whole thing started back on Friday, when the stock produced at least a few million shares in trading volume, and it started to jump from like 15 to like 21 maybe. So apparently this news are kind of like long-term playing news, but it is up to you to figure out what's going on there. So Sharps Technology, stock symbol STSS, only 56 cents a share. Next one is Pineapple Energy, stock symbol PEGY. The stock is up 83% or 15 cents, trading at 33 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded, listen to this, 494 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $30 million. So this company was in the news, or at least on my show already several times. It started to trade probably, 6 months ago. It was trading at around 70 cents a share, and it wasn't really trading. Not a lot of people were knew about the company, maybe a few hundred shares. So, and the stock pretty much collapsed from 70 cents to like 5 cents a share on practically no volume. Basically, people kind of were not interested in that stock. However, starting in April, on April 23rd approximately, the stock started to generate big volume spikes. They would not hold for a long time. They will subside, but still the stock started to trade from nothing to like 10, sometimes 100 million shares per day. So however, on May 15th approximately, about, I don't know, let's say a week ago or a little bit more, suddenly the stock started to move. It started to move from like 5 cents to 10 to 20 to 30. Like today it's trading at 32 cents. And it was, the moves were accompanied by hundreds of millions of shares in trading volume. So there's a huge interest to this company, and it looks like the buyers are swarming in and trying to acquire those shares, pushing them higher and higher. So if I were you, I would definitely check out the news on this company and see what's happening there. It sounds like the news that are driving that stock are very serious and could be very promising for the future revenue and profits of the company. So check it out and see if you should put some money into it. Pineapple Energy, stock symbol PEGY. It is 33 cents a share right now. Next one is Predictive Oncology. Sounds interesting. Stock symbol POAI. It is up today 58%, or 93 cents, trading at $2.53 a share. Since this morning, it already traded 76 million shares. Market cap of the company is roughly $15 million. So the stock is an interesting stock because I think it's a combination of pharmaceutical stock that deals with cancer treatments based on the word oncology in its name. But the other part is that I think the stock is dealing also with artificial intelligence, because if you look at the stock symbol, it says PO, which is Predictive Oncology, but the next two letters are AI, Artificial Intelligence. So POAI, Predictive Oncology, Artificial Intelligence, maybe this is what they're trying to communicate to us. So both areas are super hot right now, like cancer treatments and artificial intelligence, so it might be an interesting investment. So the main thing is that the stock used to trade at around $3.50 back in February of this year, February 26. However, in the next couple of months, it pretty much collapsed from $3.50 to like $1, okay? And it wasn't really trading much. Nobody really knew about this company. However, some kind of news arrived today, and the stock produced 77 million shares in trading volume from basically no trading volume in the last 6 months. So, and the fact that the stock jumped 58%, it sounds like the news that are driving that stock are pretty serious and could potentially lead to higher stock price for this company. Remember, it used to trade at $3.50 just about 4 months ago, and right now you could get it for around $2.42. So if I were you, I would definitely check out the news on this company and see what's happening there, and possibly put some money into it while it's still kind of cheap. So, Predictive Oncology, POAI, only $2.46 a share. Next one is Goldfield Corporation, stock symbol GV. It is up today 55%, or 11 cents, trading at 31 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 9 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $15 million. So the stock used to trade at around 15 cents for the last I would say 5 months. Then on April 23rd, the stock started to rise, and guess what? It went from 15 cents to 54 cents. Then it collapsed back to 18 cents. And today, some kind of crazy news came out, and the stock started to rise again. So if I were you, I would definitely check out that stock and put some money into it.